Hi, in this video we're going to go over setting your high and low limit on your SL-ACE-XW tabletop scale. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to press and hold the 0 button. And here it will start flashing. Here's you're going to set your high. As you can see, the arrow is pointing to your high. So you're going to want to set it here. So you're going to use these buttons, this button to change the flashing digit, and this one to cycle through each digit. So for this video, we're going to set this to 16 or 14. We're going to set it to 14. And then once you have the weight here, 14 pounds. And then once you have the weight here, you're going to press 0 to go to your low. So now it's going to set your low. So we're going to set our low to 6 for this video. And you're going to press 0. So now that those are set, when you apply weight to it, it should show. So right now it's showing low, which is the orange. And then you're going to see green as your target weight. And then you're going to see red as an overweight. If you do have any questions, you need additional help, give us a call, SellEtonscales.com. Thank you very much.